Hello, students. How are you all? Hope you are safe at home. Students, today we will going to learn GK and our topic is healthy and unhealthy food. So, children, you all know that what is healthy food and what is unhealthy food. So, first of all, we learn about what is food. So, here we see a variety of foods. So, what is food? So, food is a conduct for nutrients and it is one central thing about human experience that can open up both our senses and our experience to our place in the world. So, food is a conduct for nutrients. It is one of the central things about human experience that can open up both our senses and our experience to our place in world. So here we see Mexican food, then we see parallel birds, and food is culturally defined. What is considered a food in culture A is not necessarily a food in culture B. So, food, now we learn that what is nutrient. So, nutrients are the essential for the normal functioning of the human body. Nutrients are the essential for the normal functioning of the human body. Includes we get nutrients from all these types foods. So here we see vegetables and other foods. So here also we see food. So in all food we have we take nutrients. So includes carbohydrates, proteins, fats and lipids, vitamin, minerals and water. So children, now you all clear about nutrient. So now next, healthy food and junk food or unhealthy food. So here we see apples, vegetables, and these are the healthy food, or donuts, french fries, burger, pizza. These all are junk food. So now we learn in a detail healthy and unhealthy food. So here we see fruits and vegetables. Grapes are also healthy food. Fruits and vegetables and juice are healthy food. Then strawberries are healthy food. Burger is unhealthy food. And chips is also unhealthy food. So what healthy food is? So now we learn in a detail about what healthy food is. So here we see different types of vegetables, fruits, milk. So these all are healthy food. So a variety of foods that give you the nutrient and you need to improve your health, feel good and have energy is called healthy food. So, what is healthy food? So, healthy food is a variety of foods that give you a nutrient and you need to improve your health, feel good and have energy is called healthy food. So, children, you all are clear what is healthy food? Healthy food give us energy and improve our health and nutrients. So, here also we see different types of vegetables and fruits, green vegetables, colorful vegetables. Here we see colorful vegetables and fruits. Here also we see colorful vegetables and fruits, red vegetables and fruit, yellow vegetables and fruits, and then green vegetables and fruits. So healthy foods is a food beneficial for health in a terms of nutrition and it also fits your body. Healthy food may be considered as organic food. Whole foods is neutral food. So, healthy food is a food beneficial for health in a term of nutrition and it is also fits your body. And healthy food may be considered as organic food, whole foods and natural food. So, healthy food. A healthy diet is one that helps maintain or improve health. A healthy diet is one that helps maintain or improve health. It is important for the prevention of many chronic disease such as obesity, heart disease, and diabetes and cancer. So, a healthy diet involves consuming appropriate amounts of all nutrients and an adequate amount of water. So, nutrients can be obtained from many different foods. So, there are a wide variety of diets that may be considered healthy diet. So, children's healthy food give us and energy and also keep our body fit and healthy. So in this time we all need to healthy food. So healthy food a good habit. A healthy food is one that helps to maintain or improve general health. So here we also see a variety of different fruits and vegetables. Milk is also a healthy food and green vegetables. So we also eat green vegetables, fruits and in this time we all have to need maintain our body or health. That's why healthy food is our need, and healthy diet involves a consuming appropriate amounts of a nutrient and adequate amount of water. So nutrients can be obtained from many different foods. So there are a wide variety of diets and that may be considered healthy diet. So, children's healthy food is one that helps to maintain or improve general health. So, benefits of eating a healthy food. So, which types of benefit that eating healthy food? So, it's an effective weight loss solution. Here we see a family eating healthy food. So, its effective weight loss solution. Uh, what is the benefit? So, first benefit is effective weight loss solution. Then, second, increase energy level. Then, third, reduce health care cost. Then, next, better rest and sleep. We take healthy food, so also we have a good rest and good sleep and more nutrient on the body. So, these all are a benefit of eating healthy food. Children, you also need or take and eat a healthy food. So, what nutrient does the following food give us? So, here we see different types of food. So, it's a fish, meat, eggs, beans, then milk, dairy product, milk, then bread, rice, noodles, vegetables, and fruits. So these all are different types of food, and these all foods have nutrient. We identify which or what nutrients does the following food give us. Which food give us to which types of nutrients? So fish, then meat and beans give us protein. Fish, meat and beans give us protein. Then eggs, milk and dairy product is give us calcium nutrients. Calcium nutrients give nutrient. And bread, rice and noodles. Bread, rice and noodles are carbohydrate. Give bread, rice and noodles give carbohydrate nutrient, and vegetables and fruits give us vitamin and minerals, because in vegetables lots of water and lots of vitamin. So children, you all are understand that fish, meat, beans, egg, milk, dairy products, bread, rice, noodles, vegetables, and fruits. These all food give us various types of nutrient, and that's why we eat all types of food, all types of healthy food. So now, what do you think about junk food is? What do you think junk food is? So here we see various types of junk food. It's a pizza, burger, french fries, cookies, and so many types of different types of junk food. Or we can see it's unhealthy food. So, and we also like these types of food. We also like, so it's a sweets and hamburgers, hot dogs, crepes, soft drinks, and other kinds of convenience food are called junk food. So, what is junk food? So it's a sweets, hamburgers, hot dogs, crisp, soft drink, and other kind of convenient food are called junk food. So, junk food, what's wrong with junk food? So, here we see burger. So, too much fat. So, first things that we can avoid it, too much fat. Then, too much fat in the diet will cause people to put on weight and get fat or obese. So, being overweight is a risk to the health of the heart and can cause other disease, even cancer. So, junk food is too much, in we find too much fat, and in the diet we is people to put on weight and get fat or obese. So, being overweight is a risk to the health of the heart and can cause other disease, even cancer. So, junk food, in we find too much fat, so that's why we can avoid it. And also various types of disease are we find that it's a risky food, we call it's a risky food. Then too much salt, so here we see too much salt. So people get more salt that they need when they eat junk food. In a junk food, we find too much salt. So people get more salt than they need when they eat junk food. And there aren't any good things in a too much salt for our health. So, too much salt is not good for our health and our body. And we find junk food in too much salt, and that's why uh, junk food is not good for our health and our body. So, children, you all are understand that junk food is not good for our health and our body. So, now next, too much sugar. So, here we see cookies and other types of sweets, donuts, then candies, and other types of sugary biscuits, cakes, and sweets all have very much sugar. Biscuits, cakes, and sweets all have very much sugar, and that was make them taste so good. But too much sugar makes people fat, spoils the teeth, and is bad for the blood and may cause other disease. So too much sugar is not good for our health because sugar makes people fat, spoils the teeth, is bad for blood, and many case other disease. So we also have other disease in we take sugar or we eat junk food, and we see like a biscuit, cakes, and sweets all have very much sugar. So children, you all are understand that junk food is not good for our health, our body, because maybe or in case it's a we have, or in case it's a give you a other disease. So now next, too much calories. So here we see different types of burger, donuts, pizza, and other types of junk food. So it's junk food is high calories and low in nutrition. So in a junk food we find high calories and low in nutritional value, and that's why you are consuming too much energy but not using it up through day to day activities, and the extra calories are stored in the body as fat. So you all understand that junk food is high calorie and low nutritional value. That's why you are consuming too much energy but not using it up through day to day activities. The extra calories are sorted in the body as fat. So, children, junk food is not good for our health. So, unhealthy food or a junk food. Junk food is an informal term applied to some foods which are pre-received to have a little or no nutritional value, or to produce with nutritional value but which also have ingredient and considered unhealthy when regularly eaten, or to those considered unhealthy to consume at all. So, childrens, these all are unhealthy food, and unhealthy food have when regular it eaten, or to those considered unhealthy or consume at all. So, which types of junk food we take? So, here we see a different types of junk food. So, it's chips, candy, soft drink, then jams, chocolates, cookies, cake, sugar, butter, and fried fast food. So these types of foods are, we call it's a junk food or unhealthy food. So childrens, you all understand that these types of food is not good for our health, and that's why you all don't eat this type of food, because junk food is unhealthy food, or it can't give us to energy or a healthy life. So harmful effects. So here we see we take or we eat a junk food, and that's why these types of disease or harmful effect in our body. So this is obesity, that tooth disease, and then lack of energy, we have no energy, heart disease, liver failure, and vitamin deficiency. So these types of food is bad for our health, and that's why junk food is an informal term applied to some foods, and which are the perceived to have little or no nutritional value, or to produce with a nutritional value, but which also have ingredients considered unhealthy when regularly eaten, or to those considered unhealthy to consume at all. So, children, this you all are understand that these types of food can't eat, because this is unhealthy food, and that's why so many harmful effect in our body. So, children, here we see that healthy food is, this is healthy food, and we eat these types of food, fruits, vegetables, these all are healthy food, and that's why we eat a healthy fruits, variety of fruits and vegetables, green vegetables, and this is unhealthy food. That's why we cannot eat these types of food: burger, pizza, chocolates, cookies, because these types of food give us disease and unhealthiness. We cannot live long, because we eat unhealthy food. So in this time we can eat healthy food. So children, now you all eat healthy food, so you all enjoy. Hope you all learn and enjoy this lecture. So, students, I will see you next time. And also, students, don't forget to wash your hand regularly, eat healthy food, stay home, and stay safe. Thank you, students. Bye bye, everyone.